Ekene Igbo ndị mana ege ntị ebe na nene m now this video asị how my email on ọbana biko na this video I'm gonna go ebe ama a lot of people people get criticize say na me kwesịrị ikwu ihe nne but the truth must be told. This morning na afọ n'akụkụ ebe ya bụ video onye ọcha ome this video has been trending. Gịnị mee? No beg fall in love with somebody on social media. Onye Igbo anyị for that matter ime nji post a video na ihe ame na Igbo anyị onye Igbo anyị. She's a 50-something years old woman. Follow him in love with onye Igbo anyị. Anọ ya. Nocha ya obulu no gina na the boy collided with his family. Kewe ezwe yoshi. The guy collided with his family. Kewe megine zwe yoshi. Ego ne kana for this woman $80,000. That is equivalent to more than 120 million naira. A young boy, 20-something years. To you feel a name for Lombada. Man again take and him to in few years to come, go mark this word and save this video. We may not be here in boy, we may be here witness here, we may not be here witness here, but save this video. In few years to come, people yana and 1 week in a buy, nani buy. Without him here below. That is on Jechiburu video 19 workable na tume few days ago. Or say that it is high time I was burial mother until I'm a bulonya. Whether no long cheer, no madubulu, cobalo sibulo, cobi honya metal bulia. Needing the reason address. This woman see no heart condition, no heart problem. It could be also, and she was saying, na even the guy na one near one or the kahana be need no one ha. Keki is such as big as that girl is such a malo god or yebike go. But I mean, see one nigga walking in bed, unaba needing a new bed. No, if fully we are no not one and when you chota. I heard this woman now complain, and she's still lamenting that no one will naga on. So in my mind, don't wake it, none in my mind can't go wake up on a that girl. Abro one near one. Wake that girl wake up bulungunya. Man, they will hide it away from the girl. They will not go Diego. To every evilly support you. Oh, you're not again. To every evil is support you. Oh, you're not because again, only Napulega but one name mother. Only Napulega but mother. Only Napulega on Nemolia. Only Napulega but somebody's sister relation. Equal nibe. And this woman actually no one had problem, no one had issue. She began to fall in love so that go away feel as a human being. And there is a law of this word I don't even abandon you people because you people took a vow together. Makwa amada na emelene no kwa na wanyi somewhere for that young boy. Makwa amada emelana no kwa wanyi somewhere. Because in her videos, she never said no divorce. She only said no Zulioshi. And she decided to run away for her life. Mekwe no emelana. Iji kwa wanyi somewhere. Mekwe no melana. Makwano mwonye napoli henike. Mekwe no melana. Makwano mwonye golil. I'm a lot of you as no mbadaka agota. Di ihojo bi ihojo. Oswa gime ihoja na Brazil. Banatani Igbo Malama na Ajana Brazil ya na achuge because we have defied the law of their land. Omena nande de ilaha. Omena nande de ilaha. And as for this boy, makwa amana na one hana on a trend now. Your pictures they go everywhere. Makwa amana that it is onwe kwa more to be dego no work travel abroad again. Even when the opportunity presents itself. Malukwa amana those 4 people know that picture that woman ebugale omweku ihe ya emeku no cross obodo ozo. Okokwa mma you have been grounded in your village ebe ahụ no n'ime ọhịa ahụ no. You have been grounded. Na Nigeria enwere law doesn't mean obodo ozo enwere law. Malukwa amana that come and knows everybody address. It may visit your body, it will visit you. Mana mbo ye visit ke imamma. Imamma odi okwa no mma. Uha, one way maybe na one mother, one mother maybe na one more. God, one.
This is the Islam family. unfortunately, I have this wicked damn last name, and I'm so ashamed of. Here is the Igbo Jacosi Kindness Islam I'm legally married to. This is the wicked sister, Goodness. Her name is Goodness, and his name is Kindness. She loves him. She will do anything for him. There is something going on between these two. This is Ifanye. She is close to him because of my money. This is Ebuka, okay? This is him, my husband. So let me ask you a question. I posted a Mr. Soflo, thank you to him, is doing a story about romance scam and about these young Nigerian that are marrying to us American ladies because we are older and we have money. That is the truth. That's true. So I want to thank him for that. And it is true. This is a romance scam or marriage. You know, I thought when you marry somebody and you say your vows, you sign the paper, and when you go to get married, and you know this, if there is no ring, do you think they're going to marry us? No. So all this is fake and phony romance scam, all for money. 80,000 within 3 years is a lot of money. I took care of him. I wiped his ass. I wiped his debt. I did everything. He's never once taken care of me. I never reaped the benefit he sold. But you know what he did to me? I put a curse on his ass, to his children. Karma's a bitch to his sister. Oh, his sister's already cursed through her son. She did it to herself. Yeah. Do you guys see how I post the video of them hanging at the lounge? That's all they do. Do you think they're going to go to the lounge every week, 3 times a week, drinking, enjoying, having a good time, staying at a hotel with my money? We all know right now, Nigeria and they are managing. We all know that. All this is because of me. Do you think that's right what he did to me? He married me under false pretense, scamming me of money, and living a lavish life because of me. Well, there's no money now. So, you think that's right what he did to me? I'm a 55-year-old woman with a heart condition and a diabetic. And yeah. Isn't he shameful that he is living off of me, a 55-year-old single mother, and his sister, who's wearing nice clothes, expensive designer clothes I bring to them? They have no shame. I don't know. I don't understand. Somebody please DM me. How do they call themselves Igbo? How does the father is a deacon at church and raising an animal like this? Yes, I call them animal. And they call themselves Igbo. And they dress up to go to church. Do anonymous church. How do you go and pray to God? And then you're taking money from me. Okay? And you marry me under false pretense. Don't you think I have a right to be angry? Oh, hell yeah. Till my last breath, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to make sure this bitch, Igbo bitch, and his sister and his family pay for what they did to me. You don't take my money, $80,000. I made sure you were taken care of. You eat good, you live good. And then you're going to go ahead, entertain other Igbo bitches. And then your sister, oh, right here. Right here. She loves him. She'll do anything for him. There is something going on between her and him. Who does that? Who comes out of a shower knowing that his wife is laying next to him in bed, in a towel, can see your ass, and then says, oh, kind, do you have a brush? Wearing his clothes, sleeping in bed next to him while I'm in the shower. Don't you think that's not normal? That is not normal. I don't even do that with my sibling. So, if you guys would share my story, that would be great. Mr. Flo, I posted his post about these young Nigerians that are marrying us American because we have money. It's true. I'm not a grandmother. I don't plan on being one. But anyway, I want to say thank you for following my story. Please share my story, because he is looking for the next victim. Right here. Him and the Wicked family. They are looking for the next victim. So, remember what I told you. You all are simply sorry.